In 1974 I opened this business here in Deer Park, Lispole, and I just dug a pit there in the ground and in the field, and I was changing oil and tractors and things. I was passing, and there was few tractors and few cars at the time. I've been continuously, weekly going to Dublin, buying and selling vehicles to suit my customers. Lately they have brought in water-based paste, which is very tricky, but my son, thank God, came from Australia a few years ago, and he got up a spray booth out there, and he's doing all that side of it for me now. Two great boys with me now, Brandon and Sean, but I'd say without Deborah I probably wouldn't be able to cope with all the stress of it. She was the backbone of the team.